Hi, to change default browser on your Samsung Galaxy S25, all you have to do is find and open Settings. From here, scroll till you could see Apps tab. And after that, you need to pick this Choose Default Apps option and select Browser app. And now you can change your default browser app. For example, from Samsung Internet, I can switch to Google Chrome just by tapping it. And now simply go back. And now Google Chrome would be my default app and not Samsung Internet. Once I try to open Samsung Internet, I would see this pop-up suggestion to make this app as my default. You can set it as default right here, so switch back to Samsung Internet or choose Not Now, and you'll be able to still use this app but with Google Chrome default. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.